We are staying on top of breaking news this hour, and a big win for former President Donald Trump. A federal judge granting Trump's request for a special master to oversee documents seized by the FBI at his Florida estate. NBC News Justice and Intelligence correspondent Ken Dilanian tells us what that could mean for the investigation.
This ruling is a significant setback for the Department of Justice that almost certainly will delay the investigation somewhat, because the judge has enjoined the DOJ from using any of the materials seized in the search to take further investigative steps. And the DOJ had already said in a court filing that it was doing that. At the same time, on a really important point, the judge sided with the Justice Department. The judge found that Donald Trump has not established that the DOJ callously disregarded his Fourth Amendment rights. Though she did, side with Donald Trump on a lot of other important matters, including the need for a special master to review not only for attorney-client privilege, but for executive privilege. And that's really important because there really isn't any precedent for a special master reviewing documents to see whether they're subject to executive privilege, especially in a case where the Justice Department has asserted that there isn't any executive privilege because these documents are going to the executive branch. The judge also ruled that it's not clear whether Trump is entitled to any of his property back, which he's asking for. She said that will be ruled on at a later time. And she also made clear that she believes that this case is different. She actually cited the search of a former president and the need to show the public that everything is being done with the utmost fairness. There's nothing in the law that speaks to this whatsoever. This is this judge who was appointed by Donald Trump, Eileen Cannon in Florida, asserting her own opinion that this case is unique because it involves a former president. Many other legal experts say former president should be the same as any other defendant under the law. But the bottom line here is that the next step will be that both sides will propose possible names for a special master. That person will have to have security clearance. Importantly, though, the judge also allowed the classification review, the damage assessment by the intelligence community to go on. So they've got these documents. They're looking to see whether any sources and methods are compromised, these hundreds and hundreds of classified documents taken from Mar-a-Lago. And the judge is allowing that assessment to go on. But she has decided that a special master will be appointed. And the Justice Department is saying they are reviewing this ruling and will decide what next steps to take. There's a potential they could appeal it, or there's also a possibility they will live with it and go through the special master process, which is not actually unprecedented and could take not a huge amount of time. Back to you.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.